welcome to our channel GB Trade Key. If you're our new visitor there, subscribe our channel. New viewers, today's video about rose quartz, so let's start the video. Dear viewers, what is rose quartz? The incredible rose quartz has a hexagonal crystal system, typically with a pale pink color. With a translucent transparency, it is one of the most beautiful crystals. In some circles, the rose quartz crystal goes by the name of hyaline quartz. Because of its pale pink color, it has a feminine feel and is often thought of as a soft pink quartz crystal. It was first made into jewelry thousands of years ago by the Assyrians somewhere in the region of 800 BC. Many civilizations have recorded its use, including the Greeks, Egyptians, and even the Romans. Dear viewers, sometimes people ask questions as to how rare this stone is. In fact, this is one of the most abundant types of minerals that are found on our earth. It is commercially mined in a number of places, including locations such as Brazil, Germany, Namibia, South Africa, and Madagascar. Dear viewers, because it is so abundant, the price of these gems is normally very affordable. You can easily add the stone to your collection and fit it in well with various styles of jewelry. Earrings, necklaces, and bracelets are most common. This placement on a person's body allows it to have the most enhanced healing properties. Dear viewers, now discuss how to use rose quartz. The rose quartz crystal is associated with the throat chakra as well as the heart chakra. This stone is part of the Taurus and Libra zodiac and has a deep association with the planet Venus. It has a vibration number of 7. One of the best ways to use this pin crystal is to put in place your own crystal program. By wearing it as well as by carrying it on your person, you should be able to align yourself quite easily with its powers. This will enable you to attract love into your space. Wear it in the form of jewelry, like a necklace, bracelet, or earrings. You can carry it in your pocket or in your purse, which will allow you to touch and even hold it if ever you have the need to. Also bring it into your living environment, possibly placing it on your desk or next to your bed. This will allow you to have a reminder all the time that love is around you and is in your environment. Dear viewers, now discuss how to cleanse and recharge rose quartz. To cleanse the stone so that you can get rid of negative energy, place it under water for a full day. In order to recharge the crystal, leave it submerged in salt water for at least 48 hours or longer if at all possible. Dear viewers, now discuss how can you tell if rose quartz is real? Real stones are normally lacking in good transparency and will be slightly opaque. It also normally has white streaks embedded in the actual crystal stone. Is rose quartz expensive? It is not considered to be an expensive stone. Those stones that have a slightly deeper pink coloration are normally slightly more expensive in price. Dear viewers, how to pair rose quartz crystal? There are a number of crystals that pair very well with pink gemstones. It pairs with ammolite. This is the stone of perfection. These stones together are able to create some amazing results. The pink stone does pair with citron, which is likely to bring adventure and new experiences into your life. Citron is also known as the stone of good fortune and money. This pink quartz pairs with chrysocolla, which brings the powers of expression and teaching into our lives. These stones combined will help to regulate energy that is in the universe and bring it to the inner self. Dear viewers, if you want to buy any type of real gemstone in rough, cut, polish, then visit our website www.gtradekey.com. If you like this video, then subscribe GB Trade Key channel and hit bell icon so you never miss any videos. Thank for watching. Stay with us and God bless you.